Today we are looking at the Havells Stealth Air BLDC Plus ceiling fan, a premium fan that not only looks stylish but also saves electricity, runs quietly and comes loaded with smart features. Let's dive in. This fan comes with a 1200 mm of sweep size, which ensures wide coverage area from medium to large rooms. The aerodynamics ABS blades are strong, durable and designed for better air delivery compared to the traditional aluminum blades. It has a sleek modern finish that blends beautifully with your premium interiors, making it perfect for your living rooms, bedrooms and even for your office. Performance on a ceiling fan depends upon its blade and the motor. Here, Havells has used double ball bearing BLDC motor along with ABS blades, which gives you a longer life, smoother operation and higher air delivery while compared to the normal fans. Let's talk about the savings. A regular ceiling fan consumes about 55 watts to 60 watts, but this BLDC fan runs on 40 watts. For example, if you run a fan for 15 hours per day, you can save around 800 rupees to 1200 rupees per fan on your electricity bill. If you have multiple fans at your home, then imagine the amount that you save each and every year. This fan also comes with voice control. It has an inbuilt microphone, so where you can say "Hello Havells" to switch on your fan. "Hello Havells, switch on." You can turn it on, turn it off and change the speed of the fan all by your voice without Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or any mobile application. This makes super convenient when your hands are busy or if you don't want to reach out your remote each and every time. And along with the voice, you also get a premium RF remote unlike normal IR remotes. This one doesn't need line of sight for your fan. You could control the fan from any part of your room with any direction. This remote allows you to adjust your fan speed normally, set a timer to auto switch off, and this fan has the multiple modes. The first mode is about reverse mode. The fan rotates in the reverse direction to push the warm air down, especially this will be useful for your winter season. And the second mode is about breeze mode. You could enjoy the natural wind-like airflow on your room. And the third mode is about sleep mode. In this mode, the fan speed gradually decreases over the night, which helps for you to have a comfortable sleep over the night. There is an LED indication on your remote to identify that which mode that you have been selected on the remote. And the next main part is about the performance. Thanks to its powerful motor and ABS blades, these fans run at the RPM of 280 and delivers up to 245 cubic meter per minute. And the result is it has consistent and strong airflow across the room with whisper quiet operation, keeping you cool and comfortable all year round. And to give peace of mind, Havells offers 2 years of product guarantee along with this fan, and also you can have a free installation along with the brand site. So to sum it up, Stealth Air BLDC is a premium ceiling fan that combines stylish design, smart voice and remote features and savings in your electricity and making it a value for money choice for your modern homes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.